The Zubarah-class Corvette of Saudi Arabia is an advanced warship built using Italian technology. It is equipped with Aster 30 anti-air missiles and Exocet anti-ship missiles. Its stealth design helps it evade radar detection, while its modern sonar system enables it to detect submarines. This vessel is recognized as a key maritime defender for Saudi Arabia in the Red Sea and the Persian Gulf. Experts consider it an important asset for high-level security, strike capability, and strategic naval dominance.